In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag and organize contacts in Mailchimp. Tags are one of the simplest and most flexible ways to keep your audience clean and usable. They act like labels you can attach to contacts, so you can group people by things like role, interest, or source, and then quickly find or target them later. We'll walk through adding tags, viewing them in your audience, removing a tag from a single contact, and using archive and delete to keep your list tidy. First, sign into your Mailchimp account and open your audience. Head to the Contacts view so you can see your list of people. This is the main table where you'll manage who gets which labels. To tag contacts, choose the people you want to label by clicking the checkboxes next to their names. You can select one person, a handful, or a larger group, whatever makes sense for your workflow today. With your contacts selected, look for the Tag Contacts option and click it. A panel will open that lets you apply existing tags or create a new one. Use the search bar to find a tag you already use, or type a new tag name and select it to create it on the fly. Consistent naming really pays off here. Keep tags short, clear, and easy to understand. For example, you might apply a tag like staff to identify internal team members who shouldn't receive customer promotions. Once you've chosen the tag or typed your new label, click Apply. Mailchimp will attach that tag to all the contacts you selected in one go, saving you a ton of time. Next, let's confirm those tags in your audience. Navigate to the Tags section within Audience. This view shows every tag you've created, often with a count of how many contacts have each label. It's a great place to quickly sanity check your structure, make sure your tags are spelled consistently, and see if any cleanup is needed. Clicking into a tag filters your audience to only the contacts with that label, which is helpful for spot checks or planning a campaign. If you ever need to remove a tag from a specific person, open that individual's contact profile from your audience list. Inside the profile, scroll to the Tags area. You'll see the labels currently applied to that contact. To remove one, click the small X next to the tag. This action only removes the label from that one contact. It doesn't delete the tag from your account, and it won't affect other contacts who still use it. Removing a tag is handy when someone's role changes or when a temporary label is no longer relevant. Now, for broader organization beyond tags, you can archive contacts. Back in your Contacts view, select a contact using the checkbox. Choose Archive. Archiving is a safe way to clean your audience without losing data. Archived contacts are excluded from campaigns, and in many billing plans, they don't count toward your contact total. You can unarchive later if you need to bring someone back. Use this when a contact is inactive, no longer a good fit for emails, or when you just want to keep your list lean without losing history. Finally, if you need to permanently remove someone, open the menu with the three dots next to the contact and click Delete. Deletion is final and removes the contact from your audience. Do this only when you're sure you no longer need the record, and consider legal or policy requirements before deleting. When in doubt, archiving is the more reversible option. That's the full workflow. Tag your contacts for clear grouping, review tags in the Audience Tags section, remove a tag from a profile when needed, and use Archive or Delete to maintain a clean, compliant list. With a consistent tag strategy and occasional cleanup, you'll make segmentation and targeted sending much easier.